Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see, like one comment was there guys. For example, suppose if you are developing any application in Laravel, okay. So in that Laravel, how we can set a session timeout, okay. For example, consider if you have developed any banking application or any application which should have some securities, or for example if you are logged in, then after some time automatically it should get logged off, okay. So by using this, what we can do guys, we can secure our application because nobody can use. Suppose if you set like, if I logged in and again if I log out, then only the session will get out, then it is not that much secured, okay. So how the time automatic session timeout, how we can set in Laravel? So that was the question guys. So what we will do guys, see, I have created one dummy application. So in that only, what we'll do, we'll do one session timeout and we'll see whether it will work or not, okay. So you can see guys, this is one freelancing application is there guys, which I have developed, like, just it is a dummy, you can see it's not any live and all, okay. Fine. So guys, what is happening here, if you're using Laravel now, then there is one benefit guys here. By default we'll get one thing that is in .env file, that is, you can see here only we'll get guys, you can see here session lifetime, like that it will get, okay. So by using this only we can set the session timeout, okay. One thing guys, you will get this either in .env file. In .env file you need to check for session underscore lifetime, you can see here, or you need to go here in config. Okay, in config, go in session, you can see here session.php here. Okay, here also you can see guys, here also we can set the timeout. If you're not finding that in .env file, that session lifetime, then you can set that in here guys, that is in session.php file, okay. So you can see guys, here by default there is an 120 minutes, means mm, okay, you can see guys, 120 minute is there for right now, okay. It will be in minutes guys, it will not in seconds, so maybe 1.5 hours, I think, right? 2 hours. So it is this is session is for 2 hours guys. So I'll show the application first so you will get the idea. Okay, you can see guys, this is the application. Okay, I'll do here login. Okay, and as a company I'm logging this here, and I'll set here password. Okay, page expiration. Okay. I'll do once again login. Okay, here I'm taking like infiske.bilgam, and here is password. So I'm logged in now. Okay, now you can see guys, I have logged in, and I can do all the activities here, okay. If I want to check profile, I can check. If I want to check projects, I can check the projects and all. Everything I can check guys here. I can check the applications, whatever the applications came for this project, okay. So this is the thing guys. For example, if for 1 or 2 minutes if I'm not doing anything here, the application is constant and I'm not doing anything on this page, that time it should get logged off automatically, okay. That is session timeout, we say that. So that only we will see guys. Okay, so first what I'll do guys, I'll go here in my application, that is in my file. So what we will do, we'll see guys whether it will work or not. So I'll set here the time for 1 minute, okay. Right now I'm setting time for 1 minute, and here already I have logged in guys. What I'll do guys, now you can see the timing is 11:13 p.m, okay. So we'll wait, I'll not do anything on this page, we'll wait for that time and we'll check guys, okay. I'm not doing anything right now. Now you can see guys, here it is 11:15. Okay, 2 minutes only, because I don't know, it was in second maybe, so 1 minute I have taken extra only. Now I'll click and we'll see guys whether it will work or not. You can see guys, it got logged out, right? You can see guys, it is logged out. Again I have to log in, because I have given here session timeout for 1 minute, so it worked guys. You can see 1 minute. And suppose if I'm doing any activity here for 1 minute, it will not get logged out. I'll show you that also. I'll do anything. Now it is, you can see 11:15. So we'll do something here like edit, whatever we'll do this and we'll see. So here it is, edit, update. Again, what we'll do, we'll check the full stack developer. There are no any application for this job or this project. Go again profile. If I want to update, I can update here, guys. I can go here. I can check a project. I can post a project, sorry, job. Then I can manage projects, dashboards, update profile. Then again profile go. I have come, but here it is. You can see here it is still logged in. Again I can go here. Again this. Again I can post here anything job. I can post. I can check the profile. See, like right now only I'm just checking it. Just to check whether that will work or not for that. For 1 minute, right? You can see as 1 minute is already happened, but again some seconds will count. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, you can see guys, if I click anything on any field, now it is not logged in. Okay, suppose if there are no activity, then automatically it will get logged out when we set a session. That is a timeout session. Okay, so this is the timeout session, guys. So like this, you can set timeout session in your Laravel application. So I hope guys you got how we can set a session. And guys, this is very important. Okay, if any banking application is there, or any important application is there where the data is very what I can say, secured, we want, then that time also we can use it. And for some application like billing and all, there is no need, like, because continuous billing will be there, so there is no need that. But for some application, this timeout session should be there. So this is the thing is, in Laravel we can do very easily. Okay, if the application you are developed that is in Laravel, then you can do easily, guys. Okay, so I hope guys you got how this is working. Suppose if you want more details, or if you have any question regarding this, then guys you can comment in comment box. And if you're liking my videos, then guys like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting me.